Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Grid X Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button right here. Once the menu opens, use the touchscreen to scroll through it and find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the watch face, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we have two options, digital and analog. Depending on which type of watch face you want to have, digital is basically digital and analog is with the watch hands basically. So select the one you like. For example, let's select analog. Come on. Sometimes the touch screen is not working too well, but we can use the buttons, I believe. Yeah, we can use the up and down buttons right here, and then press the middle button to confirm. And here we have more options. We have classic, art deco, lollipop, and pearl. Select the one you like, then tap on it or press the middle button. Select the color of the theme, for example yellow, and the watch face will be changed. So if you go back to the watch face, it should be changed, and as you can see, it was applied. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.